By the end of this video, you will know how to enter a corrected W-2C in TurboTax. Start from your TurboTax account with your current tax return already open. From the left side of the screen, select Federal. This takes you into the section where income details are managed for the return you are working on. Once you are in Federal, click Income, then choose Wages and Income Summary. On the Your Income and Expenses page, look for the Wages and Salaries or W-2 section. When you find it, click Revisit. That opens the list of W-2 forms already entered in the return so you can update the one that was corrected. Find the W-2 from the employer that sent the corrected W-2C. Select that W-2 so you can review or edit the existing entry. This part matters because you want to update the original form from that employer, not create a separate duplicate entry for the same wages. Continue through the W-2 screens until TurboTax gives you the option to indicate that you received a corrected W-2. The wording may appear as a question or a checkbox related to corrections, but the key is to select the option that shows this is a corrected W-2, also called Form W-2C. After that, use the information on your W-2C to replace the original amounts with the corrected amounts shown on the form. Enter the revised figures exactly where TurboTax shows the original W-2 values. If a box was not corrected on the W-2C, leave that information the same as it was on your original W-2. The goal here is to update only the fields that changed and preserve anything that remained unchanged. Keep moving through the remaining W-2 screens. As you do, enter any corrected federal withholding, Social Security wages, or tax, Medicare wages or tax, and any state or local details that appear on your W-2C. Make sure the updated entries match the corrected form rather than mixing original and corrected figures across those sections. When you reach the end of the W-2 review, look over the updated information carefully. Confirm that the employer entry you edited now reflects the corrected amounts from the W-2C and that unchanged details still match the original form. Then click Continue to save the changes in your return. Thanks for watching. Your corrected W-2C information is now entered and saved in TurboTax.